Here, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to bypass the security lock screen on the iPhone running the latest iOS 10.2. Now, I'm not a hacker, I don't claim to be. I just put a challenge to myself to see if I can bypass the security of iOS using iOS 10.2, which is the latest version of iOS right now, and using an iPhone 7 Plus. And I did manage to do that. The goal of this video is to understand that it doesn't matter how secure an operating system is, there's always flaws and you can get around it. You don't even have to be a hacker, and it's very important that you always password protect your device and use all the security measures that Apple puts in place. So with this phone, I'm going to unlock this phone. Okay, both running iOS 10.2. So I'm going to unlock this device, open up here the Clocks application, and take a look at the top. It is completely locked right now. So all I have to do is ask this phone, who am I? So if I find this phone out on the road, let's say I find this phone anywhere, and I don't know whose phone it is, all I have to do is ask Siri, who am I? And it's going to give me the information of this person that owns this phone. In this case, it's mine, of course, but just as an example. Who am I?
You're asking me, Miguel?
Okay, so right below my name, it's going to show me my contact information, which is my phone number. Now, using my phone number, I can use another iPhone to FaceTime this phone, so we know that. Okay, so now without unlocking the device, I have the phone number for this phone. So I'm going to go on this phone here, go to my contacts, and FaceTime myself, or FaceTime the phone number that we're targeting, the phone that we're targeting here. Let's FaceTime it. There it is. Okay. I'm going to click on messages. Custom message. I'm going to hang up here. Okay, so now we're out of the context. Here's the phone. Okay, so now we're in the messages application. Not a big deal. I can reply from here. What I have to do now is go ahead and enable voiceover using Siri as well. The phone is still locked. Enable voiceover.
Okay, I turned.
Okay, so voiceover is on. This is an assistant, our accessibility feature.
Heading.
Tap on Apple.
Apple. Text
Double
field.
tap hold it. Double tap hold on the keyboard.
Apple. Text field. 2. Apple. 2. Apple. Text
Until I get this text field to recognize
2.
that I'm tapping
Apple.
on the keyboard.
Text field.
It's a bit complicated, but it is possible. Let me try it.
Selected. Delete. FF. Delete.
Alright, so let's do that again.
2. 2. Apple. Text field.
Okay, so I got it. There it is.
Insertion point of
Alright, so you see how that turned white all of a sudden? Now I'm going to tap the letter G just to use one of the contacts, and I'm going to block some information here.
G. Golf. G. Selected.
So there it is. Some contact information is now available. Alright, so now I can press on the little I here, go in here, and this is only my email address, so that's fine. Go here into create contact, go to photos, and we're in the phone. See the lock up at the top? See how it says locked? The phone is still locked. Let's go to photos. Alright, so now we're in the photos, and the device is still locked.
First name.
Alright, so now I'm going to turn off voiceover because it's driving me nuts. Turn off voiceover.
Voiceover off.
Whew, that's enough of that. So here it is, the photos of some of the videos and things that I've done. You guys know this photos here. So I'm in the phone is completely locked. And there it is, I got into the photos. I can continue going into the contacts and get even further. I'm not going to go ahead and expand on this bypass. But at least you can see I can get into the photos and I can do much more, as I mentioned. But I wanted to leave it at that. You guys, it's very important that you disabled Siri from the lock screen as of right now. This could be found by anyone. Again, I'm not a hacker, but this goes to show how